What's up, you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Nissan Murano, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. So let's go ahead and break down that really easy install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So we're going to be working in the cargo area. We're going to need to access our taillight harnesses, which are located underneath the storage trays on both sides. So to gain access to that, we're going to pull up on our floor paneling and we're just going to clip it up. All right, now we're going to remove the storage tray covers on both sides of our vehicle. Now we're going to remove our storage tray on the driver's side. It's being held in by 2 bolts, and we'll use a 10mm socket to remove those. All right, now we're going to repeat on the passenger side, but first we'll need to remove the spare tire equipment. We'll remove the 2 screws. And then we'll remove this tray. And then we'll remove the passenger side tray. Back on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and locate our vehicle's taillight harness. We're going to go ahead and remove the tape using a utility knife. Then we're going to go ahead and unplug it by pushing down on this tab. And then we're going to take our T connector with the yellow, brown, and red wire. We're going to go ahead and plug it in to our vehicle's taillight harness. Now, using the included self-tapping screw, we're going to go ahead and ground our white wire to this sheet metal right here. All right, now we're going to need to run our green T connector to the passenger side. We're going to stay behind these panels, so we're going to go underneath this sheet metal. We're going to repeat on the passenger side taillight harness, starting by cutting the tape. And we'll unplug it. And then we'll plug in our T connector. All right, now we're going to go ahead and hook up our fuse holder. So Nissan did a really good job, and they already have a wire ready for us right here. We're just going to go ahead and pull it out of the tape. And then we're going to plug in our fuse holder. And with our fuse holder connected, we're going to go ahead and take our included 10-amp fuse and put it in. Next, we're going to need to check our towing fuse in the engine compartment. Right here on the driver's side is our fuse box. We'll go ahead and remove the cover. And at the bottom right here, we have our towing fuse location. Most Muranos will already have the 30-amp fuse in place. If your vehicle does not, our kit comes with a 10-amp fuse that you can put in there. Now that we have our wiring all powered up and in place, let's go ahead and show you where you can store your 4-flat harness. If you'd like, you can leave it in the cargo area inside the vehicle. You can just leave it right here with the spare tire and pull it out through the weather seal when you need to use it. Or you can bring it down underneath the vehicle towards the hitch, and we'll go ahead and show you how you can do that. On the driver's side, there's a grommet and a vent. They're too small for our harness to fit through without cutting it. So to avoid cutting it, we're going to get to a bigger grommet underneath our threshold panel. To remove our rear threshold panel, we're going to need to remove these 3 push pins using a flathead screwdriver. Now we'll need to remove this tab right here. And then we'll go ahead and pull up on our rear threshold. And it's held in by these clips right here. So that gives us access to this new grommet right here. So we'll go ahead and remove it. And then we'll go ahead and take our 4-flat harness and we'll push it down. All right, now we're going to go ahead and reattach our grommet. Before we do that, we're going to need to cut a slit in it. Now we're going to take our 4-flat wire and we're going to put it inside the slit. And then we'll put our grommet back into place. All right, now with everything in place, let's go ahead and put all of our panels back together. Right now, let's show you where that 4-flat harness went. It went right down behind this bumper. If you reach up, we can pull it out and pull it right next to our receiver. Now we're gonna go ahead and secure our 4-flat harness using a 4-flat mounting bracket. This does not come with the kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul center or at uhaul.com. So we're gonna line it up on our bumper, and then we're gonna go ahead and drill our first hole using a 3/16 drill bit. We'll go ahead and put our bracket into place and secure it with the included nut. And now we'll repeat on the second hole. And now we'll tighten it using a 3/8 socket. And we'll go ahead and put on our dust cover and put it into our bracket. So that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.